Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Nissan Navara, stock reference number 5862. This shape ran from the 5th of 2015 to present. It is an NP300 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual rear wheel drive transmission. Here we have our NP300 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine. Bonnet, no dents. Left hand mirror. Left rear wheel. Steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Our tray. Broken lugs on the left side. Tow bar. Right rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, one dint. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right hand headlamp. Right front door trim. Right hand master switch. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Stereo head unit. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons.